Hello friends, I'm with my new video again regarding Canada Immigration Services. As discussed in my last video, I told you that I'll let you know all the details of Canada Immigration Services. See, as I have got so many queries that how to start the procedure for Canada Immigration, I will let you know. Basically, you must qualify some sort of things that Canada has given, like your IELTS score and everything. That is, you already know regarding what are the requirements for applying for Canada PR. So you must be eligible with that procedures, because just find a thing that if any other country is calling you for their work, job offer or anything, you must be having some specific qualities that they are looking for, so that they can call you to their country and you can work and enjoy the benefits at international level. Secondly, many people asked me that how to trust any consultants regarding Canada immigration. See, if any consultant is applying your file, he will be a registered lawyer or registered consultant from IRCC or any the registration terms. You can just check that registration even online on Google, because Canada has given all the details openly. So they will be showing there. So you can trust on that person. It's nothing not more than that. But you can just check before processing the things for trust issues. Third thing, now how you can apply, what are job offers, what are different forms. See, there are many programs. There are few programs which have work permit plus PR applicability, like its AIPP program is available for that procedure. You can just search it out online and just go through it, and then after that apply for any program you're looking for. And then if you're looking for permanent residence, you should have a good CRS score. Then your file can get forward and you can get any call from any province, or there are many programs that will help you to move forward. But just you should have some sort of eligibility, like experience, age, your score. It should be available so that you can apply directly. Any other country will not call you for your benefit. You have to be some specifically qualified for them in skill ways, in eligibility ways. So this was all regarding Canada immigration. There are many programs. You can search it on Google. You can Google it. You can find it out that which program is perfect for you. And if you are not getting, you can forward your file to a registered consultant to start the procedure. They can give you all the procedural details, in which program you are eligible for, how they can proceed the files. And right now, Canada is on the boom for immigration. So this was all for Canada immigration. If you have any query, please let me know. I'll give you all the details. So in my next video, I'll give you all the details regarding international job profiles. Many of my clients are searching for job. Is there availability in Europe? Is there availability in any other countries that we are eligible for? So I will let you know all the availabilities of international jobs, so you can apply, you can search, you can just work on the procedure and trust only the registered person, so that your money won't waste and you should get the heights what you are looking for at international levels. Thank you.